I've spent years working on everything from nuclear reactor electrical systems to the grit and attics of residential HVAC service. One thing that hasn't changed is that your equipment is only as good as the electrical logic driving it. When you're looking at a ductless mini split, you're not just buying a box, you're buying a specialized piece of power sipping technology. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the Aux AJAN and the Danby DAS Series. When we look at ductless units like these, we aren't worried about louvered panels or heavy cabinets. We're looking at chassis durability and how those vital outdoor coils are protected from the elements. This is where we see our first big difference. The Aux AJAN features specialized coated coils to prevent corrosion and keep heat transfer efficient over the long haul. On the other hand, the Danby DAS series doesn't list a specific coil coating in its technical data. In my experience, if you live near the coast or in a high moisture environment, that coating is the difference between a 10-year lifespan and a 5-year headache. Both systems are designed with a compact footprint, giving you the mounting flexibility to put them exactly where they need to be. Now, let's talk shop on the electrical side. Both of these are premium tier systems utilizing inverter technology. In my electrician days, we called this variable frequency drive. Instead of a standard compressor that's either all on or all off, these variable speed compressors ramp up and down to match your cooling load. This is huge for your power bill because it eliminates the massive electrical inrush current every time the system starts. The Aux AJAN comes in with a 20 SEER rating, while the Danby DAS Series sits slightly higher at 21 SEER, meaning it's squeezing just a bit more cooling out of every watt of power. Are you looking at these for a garage, a guest suite, or a specific room that's always too hot? Let me know in the comments. This is where the rubber meets the road for a homeowner. Most ductless brands offer a parts-only coverage, but we have to look at who has your back if the heart of the system, the compressor, quits. Neither of these models offers a no-hassle unit replacement, so we have to look at the length of the coverage. Danby offers a 5-year parts and 5-year compressor warranty. However, Aux absolutely dominates this category. The AJAN comes with a 12-year warranty on both parts and the compressor. In the HVAC world, a 12-year compressor guarantee is a massive statement of confidence in their build quality. While Danby wins by a hair on pure electrical efficiency with that 21 SEER rating, I'm picking the Aux AJAN as the winner of this matchup. As a service guy, I look at the long-term risk. The Aux AJAN provides more than double the warranty protection on the compressor and includes those critical coated coils for corrosion resistance. When you're investing in inverter tech, you want that 12-year peace of mind. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.